Hi, in this video, we're going to cover how to launch in bulk and individually to Amazon, eBay, and Walmart through Marketplace Connect on Shopify. The first thing you'll do is get to your Shopify storefront, and then we'll go to the Apps tab here. Select Marketplace Connect. And within Marketplace Connect, we're going to want to do two things. First, we're going to visit Listings, and then we're going to visit Bulk Edit. Bulk Edit is going to give you all the different variations and information that your heart desires here. If you want to add more, this tab here, the little sideways hamburger, gives you the ability to add in things like condition, ASIN, information that may not show up here on your account. To toggle between your connected accounts, you'll simply click on this drop-down menu where we can go to Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Walmart. And once in, if you're wanting to do a bulk upload, say we want to send everything that we have to Amazon, we will simply select all, hit enable, hit update, and hit save. And all these products will then launch to Amazon. And it's going to only match UPCs to correct ASINs that are on the site. So you may get failures on products that, one, do not exist on Amazon, two, you need an application to sell or authorization to sell. And that's pretty much what you'll run into on Amazon. So I'm going to get out of this. I don't want to change up this account. But the same goes for eBay. eBay, you can do a bulk or total launch by selecting all, enable, update, save. We're not going to do that though. It'll tell you if it's listed, if it's inactive. Inactive typically means that the product is out of stock. Missing is going to tell you what's wrong with it. Looks like that one's an error. Errored here, what we run into is photo size on these is typically an issue. So if a photo is too small, you can go back to your products tab, take this number here. If I wanted to edit this, I'll open up the products tab in a new form. And we'll simply paste that in. Actually, paste it in right here. Open that up. Check out the photos. This one's good. This one's not 500 pixels, the minimum requirement, so we'll get that out of here. And now that product should load. In the event where the sole image is too small, you'll simply take a screenshot of the product. It will tell you, the size of the image. You can take a large screenshot and save that in. That's the fastest way to remedy in the event that your picture is too small. And so we'll go from there. And that will then update this error. It will push again, and that product will then be listed. Walmart works very similar to Amazon. So when we go to Walmart, Walmart is going to match up the listings to the UPCs. So you have to have the actual UPC in the field in order to launch it. Inactive is out of stock, active is good, errored in some cases, duplicate SKU found. So I can see that there's two of the same product here. So what I'll do to remedy that is I will go up here back to products, and we will check the two. We have one listed in this location. So we'll copy that. We want to update the inventory is what I'm doing now. So we'll come down here. We'll see it might be in the same location. Okay, so there's two of that same product. So we will get rid of one of them. We had a 4 and a 6 count. I'm going to err on the side of caution and go with the smaller count here, just in case. And then once that is updated, that will correct itself on the Walmart tab, and then the duplicates will refigure themselves. From here, really all there is to it is a constant management of your pricing. So in Bulk Edit, you also have the opportunity to manage pricing. So if you wanted to change pricing on everything, you can certainly do that. Up here, you can make edits to your pricing. There's really a lot in these programs that you can do, a lot in this program under these tabs that you can edit and make sure is good to go. The bottom line is get as many products in, mass uploaded and listed as you can while starting. If you were wanting to add individual items, it works very similar. So if I go back to my products tab, I'll select on a product here. If I want to launch just the product, I'll select that product. I'll come back here, paste it in, and here you can do the very similar process. You just select it, enable it, and save it. And that product then would launch to Walmart. Given that everything is correct, this UPC would not match because it has the word, the hyphen dash 3-pack added to the end. So Walmart, you have to have an exact UPC match, as do you on Amazon. Amazon, if you do have a unique SKU, you can find that exact product and then come back in here and plug in the ASIN to override any failures. So if you have a unique UPC with dash 3-pack, for example, if you find that product by the UPC on Amazon, you'll just come back in, plug the ASIN, and then it will sync. So those are some tips and tricks to using Marketplace Connect via Shopify to launch all of your products direct to Amazon, Walmart,